They're
And
blocking.
we had to, introduce a bill which passed on both sides successfully. Now, our Secretary, Mike Pompeo,
Yeah.
has listed the Chinese top officials who will be barred coming to
Yeah,
the
sure,
United
sure.
States. So a lot of congressmen from both aisles have been trying the Chinese bloc.
Don't let us.
Yes. So this is our group. We have a number of groups, but
Yeah.
on behalf of the group, this is good luck kata, which represents the purity of heart, and good luck for your success and for all the works you have been doing.
Yeah, great, thank you, sir. I need some good luck, thank you very much.
It's wonderful to meet you, and thank you so much for introducing the bill for the Tibetan independence.
Yes.
I was thrilled,
Yeah?
thrilled to see that, and it instantly made the headlines around the world, Tibetans everywhere,
Yeah.
including Tibetans inside. So happy. So I called
Too
you.
much talking here, not enough doing. You should do it, right? Yeah.
Exactly. I called you, I wrote you a letter, I emailed you, I even tried to contact you, but through thankfully with the CC, the committee president, we had the opportunity.
Okay.
So first of all, we thank you and we represent this. And secondly, that, as Congress, our committee is trying to label the Chinese as a criminal.
Yeah.
I think we hope that you will push the bill hard as possible.
Where are we, Chris?
Tomorrow in
Tomorrow.
That's wonderful.
Tomorrow
Yeah.
we introduce.
So we are
it.
all here for this reason.
Yeah.
And hope that you will, not only
Yeah.
you, push for it, but all the.
Well, we're gonna try and get everybody,
Yeah,
right? But,
Connections.
there'll be people that talk but don't walk, you know what I mean? They talk the talk but don't walk the walk. We wanna try and get them, even the speaker talks tough on China, but won't do anything.
Exactly.
We want them to do something.
Exactly.
Do you have a name for the bill yet, sir?
Yes, designating the CCP as a transnational organized crime group act.
What do you got
So
here?
this is from our group, he is one of the, organizers
Yeah.
of the Tibetan National Congress. This special letter for you, and what we have is, of course, we don't have time, but this is, we also try to get a seat in the United Nations Observers.
Yeah,
seat,
right, right.
Which we have legitimate, and I don't
Good
want to go
idea.
through all the pages here, but this is all the Tibetan historical facts.
Yeah, I'll check it
that
out.
We have
Yeah,
the,
good.
treaties with different governments.
Yeah, right.
Histories, the postals, currencies,
As your own country. Yeah.
Any country should have.
Yes, the
that's
sovereignty.
this sovereignty.
Yeah.
So when you go through this, file, probably you get a gist of what
Okay.
we are seeking and what we have been until 1959. So we want to restore the Tibetan independence.
Yeah.
I sincerely, bottom of my heart, to thank you and to push it until we become a law.
Yeah.
And we want to say, if there's any congregation from your Republican side or Democrat, we have a lot of supporters, we will combine
Good.
it and we'll
Yeah.
make it happen. So we will do it.
Yeah.
We have other groups as well, so.
Yeah.
Do you want to present?
Can't you get?
This is Tibetan national flag.
Oh, can I hold it up?
We have other groups as well, so we have to.
Red, white, and flag, yes.
Thank you.
Also,
Now, you know.
can you turn around, Chris?
Oh, over here. Sure. So can we take a picture this way?
For one shot. Oh, it's on the table there.
Oh. We wanna take a picture first, sir. Take a picture.